today we are going. How about this?
We
There we
are
go. Going to do a video on we have like little foods, and we just decided to do that.
Yeah,
So the first thing, the first thing we have are cupcakes.
Cupcakes. 3 cupcakes.
For one. For 1, 2. Come here. Come in. Do not step over the stuff. Come on, hurry up.
Come on. Jesse.
3. You can stay right here. And so 3 cupcakes. We're just gonna put it back over here.
And we have some fruit.
that we could cut.
We have a pears. We have oranges, grapes,
and
pineapple. Watermelon. Not pineapple.
And that Jesse said.
And
bananas. These are apples.
Apples.
We're gonna make a salad, and this is act like this is a one big chip. I don't know.
It is a chip.
Yeah, it's one big giant one because 3, 4, 1, 2,
make it in
1, 2, 3. We can each get a chip. Put those back over here. And we have a butter spread.
Butter. That's what it's called. We have this piece of bread. And we have 3 hamburgers. 1, 2, 3.
And we have 2 chicken nuggets if Jesse might want them.
We got 4.
You have to.
1, 2.
But I'm talking about individually.
Yeah.
We have these 2 breads. They're 2 buns, but they're 4 in all. We might just
split it, but
yeah.
But we have tomato and cheese. And we have 2 broccolis. Jesse doesn't eat broccoli, so
yeah, but I will try some.
Okay.
We have some.
We have some corn.
And we have
pickles.
And some carrot.
And a carrot.
So let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we are
going to make a burger.
Okay, yeah.
So let us grab
all our buns.
I say lettuce.
All our buns.
All our buns.
We got this one piece of bread, so maybe I'll just eat my burger on this, and I'll pass out 3 patties. 1, 2.
Do you want a burger or chicken nuggets?
Burger.
Okay.
You want chicken nuggets or burger?
Chicken nuggets. I'll take chicken nuggets.
She takes chicken nuggets.
So,
wow, Jesse, do you want just a cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger, yeah.
Okay. She's gonna have just a normal cheeseburger.
And Haley's gonna have a double cheeseburger.
I'm gonna have a double burger. So all the food is gonna go in front of the person.
Two buns. 2 of the same bun on. It's supposed to be a bottom bun and a top bun.
So mine's gonna have this.
Tomato.
Lettuce.
How
you know what I want on my burger?
Lettuce. Pickles.
Let's put the
lettuce.
Knock my burger over. And I'm going to eat some broccoli.
Okay, Jessie can try her little broccoli. And the next burger bun. Not the next burger. Then just put that one in.
There go my sandwich.
Haley's is big. And then my 2 chicken nuggets. Yay. And I'm gonna get.
She got an extra with her chicken.
I'm gonna cut in half.
Chips.
Where's that knife?
Right here.
It fell all the way down there. Okay. I'm gonna cut in half my orange.
I'm going to cut in half my grapes.
And Haley's gonna cut in half her pears, or she's gonna eat her watermelon or apples.
You wanna eat my watermelon?
Yes.
Put it up here and then cut it. The other way. Yeah.
Hold on. Cut it. Okay, you cut it.
I'm gonna put it on your pile. I'm gonna take me some watermelon. And since they have 2, I just might take 1 pear. Where's the knife? Give me.
Haley cut in half.
I might take 2 too.
No. Everyone has a chip.
Yeah.
And we all get 2 fruits, and
we each have to get a vegetable.
My vegetable is a carrot.
Mine is broccoli.
Mine is broccoli too.
And we each have butter, so we'll be right back once we finish
Putting our butter on.
No, we'll be right back once we finish eating.
Yeah, eating. So,
Bye.
farts.
Okay, guys, we end up eating everything and using all the butter. Now my stomach's really hurt. I think I have to go to the bathroom. Okay.
But
I think I still have a little. Sit down.
a little bit
More
extra room.
for some
Cupcake. I'm done. I think we're full now. And guys,
I'll
was.
be right back once everyone finished using the bathroom. So we're finished and we feel so much better. And just to let y'all know, this is just a skit. This is just a skit. This is all fake food.
Fake food.
Fake.
Everything.
That's why it's the fruit. I think apparently y'all could tell it was fake because when she cut it, I could see these.
It is
Fake.
So,
And I think it was made from China.
yeah. It says made in China right there. If you could see it, it says made in China somewhere.
Made in China right there, it says.
Put your hand behind. Who said that?
Beyonce. It says made in China. So
Made in China.
So we just was bored and felt like we just wanted to do this because every time it rains and snows, it's always video time. So
There's nothing to do outside because it was raining.
yeah, and it's dark, and I really want to pop.
Everybody, let's do our final goodbyes with a fart. One.
No, we're gonna say our goodbyes with that ugly face. Stop.
Jesse, you make your noise.
Everybody try to do this.
And all you viewers at home,
Fall
how to
down
do
the
this.
steps.
fall down.
So we're actually on the steps right now, and I don't feel so good. What happened? What happened?
You hit the bed?
What happened? What happened, guys? What did
I
I
don't
do?
know. I think
Oh,
we.
passed out from all that good. It's free not to see more. I need more. I think I have to. I'll be right back, guys. I'm out of here.
Thank you guys for watching.
And this is just a skit, like we said. This is just a skit. Bye.